Hey, welcome back to my channel. May Glossyboxes here. Woohoo! Let's get stuck into it and see what we've got this month. So I just got back from work and the May Glossybox has turned up. I'm super excited to see what we've got this month. So let's have a look in here and see what they've sent us. This month we're back to the standard pink Glossybox. It's still a great little box though for keeping things in afterwards. So that's always a bonus. Opening her up here, we have the usual ribbon tie and then the little menu. And let's see what we have got. Ooh, I love getting my Glossybox every month. It's like a present to me. And then you never know what you're going to get, so it's a little surprise every time. We know we're going to get some Barry M this time because there was a sneaky peek in the last brochure in April showing us that we were going to get some Barry M. So let's have a look. So, first thing that I'm going to pull out is the Barry M Flawless Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Kit, which looks like this. There we are. I do have something similar actually from NYX, which is a cream contour. Now, I personally find cream contour a little bit scary because it's like if you go in too heavy with it, I always feel like it's difficult to blend it out. So I am more of a bronzer powder contour kind of girl because I just feel like you can go in lighter and gradually build it up, and then you don't look like you have a dirty face or something where you've like super contoured yourself. So let's try this light shade here. Oh yeah, okay. So that's going to be a nice little highlighting colour. They've got like a banana sort of colour in there as well. There's a more of a sort of neutral sort of fair skin tone, and then they get deeper as obviously you go along. So I have a cool skin tone, and I have to be careful. Sometimes they look green on me, which is probably again something to do with my skin tone. Let's try this darker one. See what that's like. Ooh, that's dark. Obviously, you're going to blend that out, and then find a clean finger. Try this little tone here. See what that's like. Well, that's a really, really dark. So not too orangey those. Okay, let's go for the messiest one first. And then we've got to use our messy fingers to look at everything else. Next in my kit, let's pull out. Ooh, okay, so we got a nail varnish this time. This is by Nailberry. And the colour of this one is Love Me Tender. And it is a cute little nudie pink shade, that one. This multi-award winning nail polish uses technology to deliver a healthier manicure, but what it does is it has a unique film which allows air and water vapour to pass through, ensuring that your nails don't get really, really dried out when you use it. So we will have a go with that, and hopefully it's quite long lasting. So my nail is quite well timed actually, because I'm giving my nails a break from all the falsies that I usually have on them. I'm going au naturel now, so I will be trying my Nailberry Love Me Tender shade. Right, next in the box, let's have a look. This is funky looking. Shake and Shot Rubber Firming Mask. And check out the lid, like, how freaky is that? Oh. Anyway, yeah. And this is a firming mask. So let's have a look in here and see what. Oh, okay, right. So you open it up. I was expecting like a big tub of stuff, but you open it up and it has like, you've got like a spatula, and then you actually mix this stuff up in the pot before you put it on. Step 1 mixing phase transforms liquid to cream to supercharge the active ingredients. step 2, the setting phase, transforms the cream to a sheet mask to boost absorption of ingredients more deeply into the skin. And then I'm guessing you like peel it off. We might have to have like a little live demo of that, see how it works. Right, next in my little box of tricks, what have we got? This is a little lip balm. So we've got like a full-size lip balm there. Just looks like a Vaseline tin. Like, I'm pretty sure they've like tapped up the same company when they made the tin. But it's not Vaseline, it's Naturaline. So Vaseline is a mineral gel, a petroleum gel lip moisturiser. If you prefer a natural 0% petroleum lip treatment, but it looks like exactly the same, then you can go for this, which is from Beauty Kitchen, and it even looks like Vaseline. I have to say, I'm a big fan of the Vaseline lip care. Like, I love it. I use that. And what's the other one I like to use? Carmex. Carmex is quite a nice one too. But I believe Carmex is like a petroleum-based one as well. If you look at the ingredients, it's got castor seed oil. It's carnauba wax. Does have beeswax. So if you are a vegan beauty, then obviously be aware that it has beeswax in it, that one. But yeah, Beauty Kitchen, we shall give that a go. And finally in our box, we have Mud Masky, which is an after mask moisturising treatment. Have you ever noticed that when you do like a clay mask or any kind of like deep cleansing type of mask on your face, you wash it off, and I personally, if I do not slap something on my face straight away, it feels super dry. Well, the idea with this is that that's exactly what this is. It's a super nourishing treatment that you put on after you've done like a deep cleansing mask. So you've taken out all the junk and then you're going to put back in all the lovely vitamins and things like that afterwards. So I love that idea, that it's like this extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, nourishing balm that's specifically meant to super nourish your skin after you've cleansed it with one of those masks. This is a serum, and it's at the forefront of an up-and-coming beauty trend. The first skincare product in the world specifically designed to be used after a face mask. I thought moisturize was for that, but you know. But no, I like the idea. It nourishes your complexion with vitamins your skin will be craving after an intense clay, charcoal, sheet or peel-off mask treatment. And then you just apply a thin layer to your face and neck. Don't forget neck, ladies. After removing your mask, and you'll have soft, smooth skin. So let's have a look. Okay, so it's like a cream. It's just a cream. It's not super runny, but it is super light. A very, very slight fragrance. Like, no, it's gone already. I think it's just one of the natural ingredients. I think it really soaks in too, actually. It really soaks in. So I will try, after I do one of my deep cleansing treatments, I will put that on straight after. So that is the Glossybox for May. Again, some lovely little surprises in there. So I always like to get a little bit of makeup in my box, and Glossybox are always good for that. They always have some sort of makeup in there. It's not just like hair care till you die or anything like that, or only skincare. It's a really good combination of things, I think, which is what I like about the Glossybox. So if you haven't already tried Glossybox, go out and get yourself one. It roughly works out to about £10 for a box, roughly that, with a little bit of postage maybe, which I think for 5 products, if I was to go into like Boots or Superdrug and get 5 products and only end up spending £10 for it, including having it delivered to my house, that's pretty good in my book. So I always feel like I get good value for money with Glossybox. For next month, let's have a little sneaky peek. In June, we're inviting you to try Avance Silky and Lightweight Primer. Ooh, worth £85. Improves the texture of your skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, also hydrates and mattifies your complexion, which is obviously perfect for helping your makeup to look smoother and to last longer. So yeah, that's the little sneaky peek for June there. I will leave a little referral link down in the comments below. Do you get Glossybox? Tell me, do you like them? Do you prefer one of the other subscription boxes? Should I be trying a different subscription box? Am I missing out? But yeah, if you know of a good beauty box subscription you reckon I should be trying out, then let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like. And subscribe and hit the little bell notification, because I will upload every time I get a Glossybox, and I'm getting a Glossybox every month this year. So every month I will be showing you the contents of my Glossybox and whether I like it or do not like it. Until next time, see you soon. Bye!